Hi guys, today we have a 2007 Chevy uplander. It came in for no start, so we're gonna check. We've been checking it all around why it doesn't start. It has brand new starter in it. We went through everything: wiring, ignition switch, neutral safety switch. Starter is brand new. Time to check the relay. There is no power coming to the starter, so we go ahead and check the relay. We remove the relay, and you should be power on one side, constant power with the key on, and should be ground on the other side. I didn't have any ground on that side. This is why the car is not starting. So I was gonna put a wire from the engine to ground in the car, to ground the engine better. But before I do that, I went and changed the terminal, the ground terminal, which I just put a new terminal and clean those wires, close everything. I check back the relay. I have ground. The weirdest thing that the car had power, the horn, the lights, everything was working, and the ground was tight. Terminal looks okay, but it's not giving enough ground to the engine. That's why we didn't think about it. After changing it, we have ground. If you like this video and the information in it, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.